Dude Tamil movie summary in English. Agan and Kural are cousins who share a close bond and run an event planning collective called Surprise Dude, which organizes surprises for occasions such as weddings, anniversaries, and proposals. Their friendship is warm and playful until Kural unexpectedly confesses her love for Agan. Startled by the proposal, Agan rejects her, claiming he sees her only as friend and part of his family. However, after some time apart, Agan realizes he loves her as well and decides to confess his feelings. Seeking approval, Agan visits Kural's father, Athiyaman, a powerful minister. To Agan's surprise, Athiyaman immediately accepts the proposal and begins making arrangements for the wedding. However, things take a turn when Kural reveals she has fallen in love with another man, Pari, who belongs to a different caste. Athiyaman strongly opposes the relationship, revealing that he once killed his younger sister for marrying outside their caste, a crime he concealed to protect his political reputation. When Kural's relationship with Pari threatens to expose his past, Athiyaman retracts his confession in public, dismissing it as one of Agan's pranks to maintain his image. On the day of the cousins' wedding reception, Pari attempts to elope with Kural with help from Agan, but they cancel their plan upon seeing Athiyaman's political influence all over India. Since Pari lacks a passport, their plan to flee abroad fails, forcing them to fake the wedding. Following his wedding to Kural, Agan tries to help Kural and Pari escape to Thailand, but the plan collapses when immigration officers demand return tickets. With help from Agan's ex-girlfriend and her husband, the couple devise a new plan to emigrate to Canada. Pari's visa is approved, but Kural's is rejected when it is discovered she is pregnant with Pari's child. Desperate to continue their escape, Agan suggests abortion, despite Kural's resistance. A gynecologist warns that Kural's uterus is weak and that abortion could cause future miscarriages. Agan withdraws his suggestion, but Kural insists on proceeding. When Agan threatens to reveal everything to Athiyaman, Kural reluctantly abandons the idea. She gives birth to a baby boy with 6 fingers. Agan, still devoted to her, poses as the child's father to handle official paperwork and care for the infant. On the night of Kural's rescheduled departure, Agan's friend reveals that Agan had always loved Kural but stepped back when she confessed her love for Pari. The revelation moves Kural deeply. During the ride to the airport, she confronts Agan and promises to find him a wife before leaving. She files for divorce from him and begins searching for matches for him through matrimonial websites and dating apps, but every attempt fails. Determined to fulfill his promise to send her abroad, Agan enlists a female colleague, Samyuktha, to pretend to be his girlfriend, which helps finalize the travel paperwork. Athiyaman eventually discovers that Kural and Agan have divorced and summons Kural. When she arrives, he confronts her about the separation. Agan intervenes, taking full responsibility for the divorce and claiming he intends to remarry. Infuriated at being publicly embarrassed, Athiyaman assaults Agan and orders his men to kill him. When Kural learns of this, she confesses everything to her father, who, enraged, kidnaps her son with the intent to kill him. Agan rushes to save the toddler. In a remote area, just as Athiyaman is about to commit the murder, he suffers a heart attack and collapses. The child manages to save him by calling for help. When Athiyaman regains consciousness in the hospital, Agan tells him that the child's actions saved his life. The incident softens Athiyaman's heart and forces him to reconsider his beliefs. It is later revealed that the rescue was actually staged by Agan and the boy as part of a plan to help Athiyaman confront his guilt. Realizing the magnitude of his crimes, Athiyaman publicly confesses to the murder of his sister and is imprisoned. In the post-credits sequence, Agan's mother surprises him. She reveals that Agan and his colleague Samyuktha, who had once pretended to be his girlfriend, have genuinely fallen in love, and their marriage has been arranged. The film ends with Agan finding closure in love and Athiyaman finally redeemed through truth.